Now we've all heard of the Pickle Back Shot, but in case you've been living under a rock, a Pickle Back Shot is a shot of whiskey with a pickle juice chaser. But today, your girls are going to change the game.
And if you're a fan of the Pickle Back Shot, the shot we're gonna be making today will be right up your alley. We are calling it the Salted Pickle Shot.
The first ingredient is going to be TWANG'S Pickle Punch Salt, which is a pickle flavored salt. The second ingredient is Irish whiskey, and our go-to here is Jameson. And the third and last ingredient, mini pickles.
So first, you lick the salt.
Then you shoot your shot.
And last, you bite your pickle. Let's go.
Hype
Let's do
yourself
it.
up.
Let's
Then
do it.
There's really 4 steps. This is the first step.
First, you
You get
stretch.
hype. And then you do a little dance.